Hey traders, welcome back. Welcome back to everyone. We are gonna be doing today our pre-week analysis or forecast. So basically, we're just gonna do a follow-up of the video that we recorded on Sunday. I did screwed up on one pair, guys. Didn't realize that I did analyze the data. I'm gonna show you what it is. So, but welcome to our Forex pre-week forecast for the week of December 6th to the 10th, trading with our multiple time frame, and our website is the following. It is www.tweforexsystem.com. So let me show you what the market is doing this week, guys. Welcome anyway to everyone. This is for the week of December 6th to the 10th. And remember, guys, if you guys want to join, we are running a 40% off till January the 10th. So come and join us. The website is in the on the link of this on the description of this video. So make sure you like, comment, and share or what you're gonna be watching right now. So let's go. Let me show you what the market is doing anyway, so it's more important. All right, so let me do this, guys. So here it is. This is one of the pair that I did give you guys on over the weekend on Sunday. So I said clearly, guys, the market is doing the following. It was so then clear. The multiple time frame here was in a sell position. Our white multiple time frame as well was in a sell. Our blue was also in a sell. Our TWE sniper entry was in a sell. Look at this sell, 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 sell. Look at this amazing drop. Boom. But what did I tell you guys over the weekend, right? That's more important, because remember, guys, here on our channel we like to give you data that does not exist. All these candles that you are seeing right now in real time, it didn't exist over the weekend. So that's what we go for it here on our TW's channel. We like to give you data that does not exist. We don't like to teach you, neither you should be taught by anyone like back data. A lot of traders, they love to, I love to repeat this, guy, because it's true. A lot of other traders, just because multiple time frame is here, they're gonna tell you, oh yeah, if you would have take this sell, you would have make this money. If you would have take this sell, no, this would have been the real data. Like right now, right? If you ask anyone, hey, what is the market gonna do in the next hour and the next day and so on, that's what you should care to thrill. And I want to tell you the honest, stop paying for signal, guys. Signal is no good. Learn how to trade. Here on the channel we can teach you. Let me know in the comment below if you need help. All right, so look at here, guys. What did I tell you guys on Sunday? I said, guys, market still bearish. There's no whatsoever intention of the market going bullish. There was no intention whatsoever. So I said market's still gonna give us another 15-20 more pips. Look at that, boom, right with the drawing, right, exactly what I told you. Then what happened from then? I said market was gonna come back and retest your 23 to your 38 Fibonacci level. So right now, to be honest, it's just sitting in that level in there. It's just sitting. It's sitting in there. But Euro GBP, guys, still has potential to keep going bearish. I did trade Euro, I'm sorry, GBP JPY. I did trade this pair as a sell position, guys, and I'm banking it right now. So right now I have what, $290 on one of my trades just on the as a sell position. All right, so it is sell, it's selling, and that's all I care. All right, let me know if you do have any question, guys. Remember, always get lesson one teach you reality, guys. Let me go ahead and show you the next pair that I give you over the weekend, right? Let me know, guys. That's one thing before I do forget, which is very important for you and I, is the following, guys. It's a forex disclaimer. Please don't, remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not giving you a signal, nothing like that. So if you want me to teach you how to trade, let me know in the comment below, and I will be more than happy to make a video for you. The most important thing about this, guy, is do not trade any money you cannot afford to lose. This business is very risky. You can also win huge at the same time. You can lose your account if you don't know how to trade. If you don't know how to trade pullback, just don't do it. So make sure you do that, okay? Because other than that, you're gonna regret it, and then you're gonna say, Irving, what happened? And look, all right, so I did give you guys GBP USD. This is what I say on GBP USD. So GBP USD is just basically staying in the area, guys. Most likely it's just going sideways at this present time. It's not doing much. The overall, the trend here is bearish. Don't get me wrong. Look at this sell, sell. Look at this sell, 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 sell. But what did I say over the weekend, guys? This is what I told you guys over the weekend. I said, guys, market's still selling. There's no intention whatsoever for the market to go bullish. So right now, I said the market was gonna come back and retest this low. There's a previous multiple time frame in there, support and resistance. So the market did push a little bit lower, which is fine, but it's still sitting in the level. So if I have to reanalyze this pair, guys, this is okay. We're just waiting. But if I had to analyze this pair all over again, this is what I would do, guys, because now we are in real time, right? Real time is all that matters. Back data does not exist anymore. It is what it is. The market is showing us intention of going bullish, except that they need more data. But overall, yes, the market in here is getting ready for that buy position, and from here, so market will take off. So maybe it's gonna happen tomorrow or either on Friday, guys. Tomorrow is Thursday, but this one is good. There's nothing there, just market not going anywhere. It's just sitting stuck in there, but the analysis is right on point. All right, any question, guys? Who has question here? Any question in here? Let me go ahead and bring that logo so you can ask question. Comment below, guys, if you have any question. Remember, we are running 40% off, so make sure you click on on our website, and you need to type the code holiday 40% off in order to get that discount. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the code in the description of this video anyway. So remember, today we are doing our Forex pre-week forecast for the week of December 6th to the 10th, trading with our multiple time frame. All right, right enough. All right, so far so good, guys, but I'm still gonna show you the pair, you know, that I completely messed up, guys. I grabbed a portion of the candle and I didn't realize it. My apologies on that. But I did give you guys Euro GBP. I told everybody the Euro GBP, the trend here is bullish. If you are in my class, or if you already have our system, you should know that Euro GBP is clearly going. Oh my God, look at this one, guys. GBP JPY just dropped more. Let me show you the one that I just finished. Look at this one. Before I do teach you on Euro GBP, you know what, let me analyze this one. But look, market is dropping. This is real data, real time. I'm in 1 hour, guys. Let me go to 1 hour. I'm trading this one and I'm making money right as we speak right now. So if I go to 1 hour, you're gonna see the money is, I'm making money, real data. Look at this, gorgeous, guys. Look at this one, it's dropping, guys. I told you I'm gonna sell on this one. I got this one right at the top here. Boom, boom, boom. I got it at the was yesterday, but I did got in. I'm on this one, and look, market right now is still dropping down because the trend here is selling. So I'm super excited for this one. I love it. It's paying me pips. That's all I care. And let me know if you guys want you know, to learn how to trade with our system. So we are giving you anyway 40% off. Just this trade here alone would make it tons of pips. But let me go ahead and show you the GBP USD. I really don't know if anyone in here, I'm sorry, Euro GBP. I told everyone the Euro GBP was clearly in an uptrend. If you missed the class, well, there's nothing I can do. But remember, guys, remember one thing, guys. Discipline is the key of your success, personal, business, relationship. It doesn't matter. You need to push yourself to the limit, guys, because no one is gonna do it for you. You need to push yourself to learn this multiple times and to learn how the market works. Put time in it. The time will be well rewarded at the end, guys. But if you think you're gonna get rich overnight and you think, oh yeah, multiple time frames gonna get me rich, no, you still gotta learn. It's very straightforward, but you need to learn the rules. Without rules, there is no success to life. There's no success to business. There's no success to relationship, guys. You need to have rule, you need to have a plan. All right, work hard, dream big, never give up. You know, the losers, guys, are the ones who give up. If you are losing on a trade but you still want to learn, you're still pushing, you're still hustling, you're not a loser, guys. It's just a learning experience that you're going through. But once you are giving up, that's when you become the loser, because you're giving up on what you love to do. All right, so always remember that. Look at what I'm seeing here, guys. Look at here, multiple time frame is clearly buy. Look at here, buy. TW sniper entry, buy. Look at here, buy. Look at what the trend is doing, guys. The trend, I told you that Euro GBP was in an uptrend. On Sunday we were doing a what? We were doing a reversal. I said, guys, market's gonna reverse back, giving you another 15-20 pips, almost at the perfect drawing. From there, I said market was gonna continue bullish, retesting this previous multiple time frame in here. Look, it came all the way to your 78.6 Fibonacci line, and then from there I said I was gonna do a small retracement. So by then it was gonna be today. So real data, guys, this pair here, it's right on point. It's exactly what I told you, nothing else. So far we analyzed how many pairs. Look, 1, 2, 3 pairs so far. I did screwed up on one of them. You know, I forgot to give you more information, and I completely screwed up, and there's nothing I can do at this time. So some of you send me private messages and say, Irvin, what's it, AUDJPY, I think you got the data wrong. And then I realized about the video was already up in the YouTube community, so there was no way for me to, you know, to undo that particular pair and reanalyze it. So that's what we do in classes, guys, every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Come and learn from us. Look at the other pair, USD Canadian. Look at what I just told you, guys. Look at USD Canadian. Tell me if anyone that your coach, your mentor, whoever it is, just mention, let me know if it's teaching you what I'm teaching you here. Look at this one. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. All this did not exist. Look at the drawing that I gave you. Perfect, guys. It's a dang perfect. Look at the dashboard, guys. Look, the 40% off is gonna be the best investment of your lifetime. Best investment. Look, this is amazing, guys. So what is the trend doing now? Now officially we are in a sell trend. USD Canadian is selling, guys. It's nothing else than just selling. Look at here, multiple time frame is here, RTW sniper entry is here. Look at the stairs, boom. Look at what the market is heading, guys. Look, there's no doubt about it. Look at that, boom, market is drawing, it's coming down. But what did I tell you guys over the weekend, right? That's what it matters. Market was not ready yet over the weekend to be bearish. Look at that, same market was gonna come back and retest this previous entry here. Look at perfect drawing. And then what happened from there? Boom! I said the market was gonna drop, then was gonna do a small reversal, but no, the market is still dropping low. So right now, yes, the market is getting ready for a small reversal. Now it's considered a reversal. Why? Because the trend here, original trend, now we USD Canadian, it is selling. It's not bullish. No, it's no longer bullish, guys. The market here is strictly selling. So for the remaining of the year, most likely USD Canadian is gonna be selling, guys. All right, so hopefully you are finding value of this video. And don't forget, guys, we are running the 40% off. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe if you are finding value so far on this video. And we're giving you free content. There's a lot of people that are going to be charging you money for what I'm giving you here. Look, and here on our channel, guys, week after month, I give you over 1,200 pips week after week, month after month, for free, guys, for free. I'm not telling you that I'm giving you a signal, but look, I'm giving you all this analysis here. A lot of people are charging you $120, $250 a month. That is sick, guys, to give you what I'm giving you here. So make sure you help me out and share it with the world. Share this video. Make sure to like, comment, and share. All right, so we're gonna be giving you guys 40% if you decide to join us. So all right, let me go ahead and show you the next pair of the week. This is the pair that I screwed up, guys, and I want to apologize. I didn't realize that I grabbed the data incorrectly, and it was too late for me. This is what I did. I grabbed the data from here, from this top here, and then I didn't realize that I completely screwed up, guys. This is the way that I saw it. So my apologies on that, but overall, what I was telling you over the weekend, guys, the market was gonna be selling and then was gonna do a pullback. But if you do pay attention here, what our multiple time frame is doing, look at here, boom, selling, selling, selling. Look at the TW sniping entry, selling, and all those sell, 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 sell. And sec, what is real data doing? Look at this one. Now we are officially this week, guys, the market has changed trend and going on the other side of the aisle. Now we are officially going where? Because this is the important. This is what you're here for. You're here to learn reality. See, all the instructions, they love to teach you back data. They're gonna tell you, oh, if you would have take this buy, let me draw it for you so you can see. If you would have take this buy here, you would have make this money here. Who cares? Don't teach me old data. Teach me real data. What is gonna happen tomorrow? What is gonna happen on Friday? What is gonna happen the rest of the year? Show me real data. That's all you should care. Alright, that's where the money is. If you keep learning, paying attention to this stuff, back data, and then it's not gonna help you. It's not gonna help you. But every trader is different. I like to be honest. I like to be clear and transparent. I like to give you data that does not exist. So when you come today, or when you come over the weekend, then you get to see what the market is doing, what it's going to be doing, and now you can say, Irving, you were wrong, Irving, you were right, whatever that's in your mind, but at least you can see it. All right, look at here. Look at what our multiple time frame is letting us know. Boom, this is AUD JPY now, guys. Look at here, TW sniper entries in a buy position, so that the trend has changed. Now we're officially in a bullish position. So market still has potential to still push into your 50 level, and then from there market's gonna do a pullback. Now it's gonna be a pullback because here AUD JPY is officially in a uptrend. So this is the pair that I screwed up, but I'm still gonna analyze it next week. Let me know if you guys want me to throw any of your pair, whatever you guys want. Make sure you do comment, and don't forget, guys, that this week, this month, we are running a 40% off on our multiple time frame. Become a member. Make sure you help me out and like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so you will never miss any content from us. Because we are here giving you over 1,200 free pips, guys. That's a lot of pips. All right, remember, what are we doing today, guys? All we're doing today is we are doing our Forex pre-week forecast for the week of December 6th to the 10th, trading with our Forex website, TWEforexsystem.com. Forex trading is the best, is the key of your life. Let's go, guys. So thank you again, guys. God bless you, God bless your family, God bless the world, and stay safe. All right, so see you tomorrow, guys. We're gonna be doing a live class tomorrow. Okay, peace out.